If you're planning to start a business in New York, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in New York even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why form an LLC in New York? For one, you have asset protection. That means your home, savings, and personal property are generally protected if your business faces lawsuits or debt. And access to major economic hubs. New York is home to some of the world's biggest economic centers, including New York City, Buffalo, and Albany. Being registered in New York can place your business closer to major markets, investors, and customers, giving you more opportunities for growth and partnership. And of course, you have a flexible management and potential tax advantages. With this, profits can be taxed on the owner's personal tax return instead of being taxed twice. And with a thriving ecosystem, New York has one of the largest small business environments in the United States. This massive ecosystem creates opportunities for networking, partnerships, and customer growth. Now it's time to choose a name for your LLC. Your LLC name must be unique and include LLC or limited liability company. It must be distinguishable from existing business. It should avoid certain words like bank, insurance, government, bureau. If you do, you may require some approval. And if you wanted to check the availability of the business name you desire, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the New York Department of State Business Search. Okay, then if there is no matching results appear, that means the business name is ready to go and it's available. But always perform a thorough name search to avoid conflicts and ensure your chosen name is available. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. After that is choosing your registered agent. New York requires every LLC to have a registered agent to receive legal documents. Now, it's important to know that the New York Secretary of State is automatically your registered agent. You may also list an optional registered agent or address for legal mail. Make sure the address you provide is reliable. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional legal formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. The official step that creates and forms your LLC is by filing the Articles of Organization. You have two ways to do this. Number one option is by mail, which you need to send to the Division of Corporations, but which is kind of a slower option, and what we suggest is to submit it online by accessing the NY-DOS Articles of Organization. There is going to be a filing fee of $200 as of this year, 2026, and you can expect 1 business days for online processing. Remember, mail may take longer. Once approved, congratulations, your LLC is legally formed. New York law requires that every newly formed LLC publish a notice of its formation in newspapers. 1 for daily newspaper and 1 weekly newspaper. Now, let me tell you, it's not just one-time thing. These notices must run for 6 consecutive weeks in the county where your LLC's principal office is located. Now, keep in mind, publication costs can really vary depending on the county. from around $300 all the way up to $1,200 or more. So it's important to budget for this step when you are forming your LLC. New York requires LLCs to have an operating agreement. Now, an operating agreement outlines the ownership structure, management roles, profit distribution. It's not filed with the state, but must be in place within 90 days. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. After that is complying with the New York State tax and regulatory requirements to keep your LLC legally active and in good standing. First, you need to register for the New York State taxes. Depending on your business activities, it may include sales tax if you sell taxable goods or services, and employer taxes if you plan to hire employees. Make sure to complete the proper registrations because this helps you avoid penalties and ensures your business stays compliant from day one. And of course, there is going to be the biennial statements. The good news is that this is simple and affordable, and the filing fee is just only $9. Now, you need to always maintain good standing with the state. Keeping your LLC compliant protects your business and ensures you can continue operating without legal or financial issues. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including New York. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in New York, which might seem complicated at first, but once you understand these steps, it becomes a straightforward process. Remember, New York is one of the few states that requires LLCs to publish formation notices in newspapers and then file a certificate of publication. So planning your budget and timeline around this step is super critical. Now, if you stay organized, follow deadlines, and keep your records updated, you'll be in a strong position to operate legally and confidently in one of the world's largest business markets. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.